Hey everyone, Tara Tesher here, the creator and designer of the Temp-tations family of brands. Unique hand-painted stoneware that not only makes it easy in the kitchen, but around the home as well. And did you know that the most popular baking size in the kitchen is your 4-quart baker? Your traditional 13x9 4-quart. Well, we have ours. Ours is called a Squoval. It's not a square, it's not an oval, it's not a rectangle, it's a soft-sided Squoval. Still, it's our hand-painted stoneware, which means it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put it in the dishwasher when you want to clean it. It goes in the refrigerator, it goes in the freezer, and it even goes in the microwave. Our unique pieces are so versatile in the fact that it goes right into its carrier. You can take it to and from the table. You can take it in and out of the microwave, in and out of the freezer, and it makes life easier. But we continue with our versatility with our deep dish lidded. What I love about this piece, it's your cutting board, it's your serving platter, it's your trivet for under the baker, it's the lid for on top of the baker. But we didn't stop there. We gave you our first ever divided lidded as well. Now you can customize your crudité, your cheese board, all of the different ways, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, appetizers, or desserts, these pieces have you covered. But we kept going. We also included 2 of our 12-ounce ramekins. All of our baking pieces come with our snap-on storage cover, so you can literally prep in here, cook in here, serve in here, and store in here. But wait, it gets better. We created an entire cookbook exclusively designed and created for this collection. 75 beautiful recipes that are gonna make it so easy no matter what you wanna cook. So again, all you need to do is pick your color, pick your pattern, and pick your choice.